Hey, what's up? Just finished the hood, bumper, and upper bumper, and the tow hook cover. So, last thing for this car or this customer is door handle cup inserts. So, I'm gonna make a quick template and then cut out some pieces and install the 4 handles. And then the car should be done and ready for collection the next day. Alright guys, the car is done now. This customer got a full hood, upper bumper, main bumper, and some custom door handle cups. So I just finished prepping for pickup. Just did a wipe down with ONR rinseless just because I didn't want to introduce too much moisture. There was a lot of dust in my garage though, so I did spray it down. But I also, had to make it look presentable. Otherwise, what's the point of getting a automotive service? So the hood was done. It was redone. So previously there was a blemish around here somewhere. No more blemishes. Front bumper didn't have too much issue. I did struggle a little bit with the tension around the corners here, so I just did a few relief cuts to let it wrap over the edge and hopefully stay down. And then when I approached the main bumper, I was a little bit more conservative with my cuts, so I stayed on the top surface. And then I cut it as if it was like a pre-cut piece, so a lot of relief cuts, playing it safe. And with the door handle cups, I made my own template with tape, drew an outline, quick and easy. So this car is all done now. Customer is going to pick up in a few hours. So thanks so much for watching this series, and see you on the next one. Cheers.